The anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Say a big good evening to all your friends there. I don't want any sleepy face, tidy face, gloomy face. Everybody should be happy now. Yes. Okay. So quickly what we are going to do is, I think somebody has joined. Okay, Arjun is back. Okay. So quickly what we are going to do, remember when you were in junior KG, we will do warm-up exercise.
Good evening, ma'am.
Who is that? Good evening. Yeah, Yuvansai. Good evening, Yuvansai. Welcome. Just now we completed the Kids anthem. So today, no Aravakshat, don't touch each other. We're going to do warm-up exercise. Quickly. Okay, ready? I'm going to play the song. You're going to hear the song. Look at ma'am and do the same way. Okay? Today, let it be a listening. Today, if you look at me and do clumsy, no problem. Next 2-3 days, if we practice, we can do. Ready? Ritik is ready, excited to do. Okay, I'm going to move to a different place. I'm going to play the song and then we are going to dance together. Okay? Give me a minute.
Ready, ma'am. You can start. Unmute your mic, ma'am. Radha, ma'am, unmute your mic.
Good evening, ma'am.
Radha, ma'am, you unmute your mic.
Ma'am, good evening.
It's not audible, ma'am. It's not audible. You unmute your mic. You muted your. Unmute your mic, ma'am.
Hi, Ayashi.
Children, please wait. Ma'am will join soon.
Ma'am, I couldn't see you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think there's a problem with playing the music. Tomorrow I'll just check and get back to you. Okay. Meanwhile, what we'll do? Okay. Good evening, children. Good evening, Lekshita S. Good evening. Okay. So what we'll do today? Today we'll sing a new rhyme. Okay. I know. Good evening, Jai Krish. Everybody. No, not like that, Jai Krish. Okay. So what we'll do?
Sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Please ask.
Ma'am.
No problem, Jai Krish. Your friends are watching, right? They'll say, "What is this Jai Krish is doing?" No problem. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll do again like yesterday. We'll do one to buckle my shoe, and then we'll sing hexagon rhyme. Okay. Ready, everybody? Okay. Stand up. Please stand up now again. I'm sorry. You have to stand up again. Okay. Ready. I'm going to say. You're going to do it. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. Buckle your shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, a big fat hen. Yes, okay. Then quickly, wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The mummy on the bus says shh, shh. The mummy on the bus says all through the town. The windows on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the bus goes up and down, all through the town. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. Come in the bus. Come back to your place now. Very good. Give a big round of clap, children. Good job. Okay. So quickly we'll mark our attendance. I'm going to start with Dadya,
Here I am,
Arav,
ma'am.
Akshat,
Here I am.
Arjun,
Here I am, ma'am.
Dayanand, Gautam,
Here I am.
Gautam Rishi. Oh, I think he is on leave. Grithwik,
Here I am.
Jai Krish,
Here I am, ma'am.
Kavin,
Here I am, ma'am.
Kavin. Okay. Kumara Guruparan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Kumara Guruparan, you joined. Where are you? I'm just coming to see you. Hi, Kumara Guruparan. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshita ji,
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj,
Here I am.
Lisha,
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshita S,
Here I am,
Satvik,
ma'am. Here I am, ma'am. Here I am,
Nikita
ma'am.
Shri. Very good. Nikita Shri.
Here I am.
Okay. Nivin Surya,
Here I am.
Roshan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Mahaswin. Okay. Mahaswin is absent. Rayan, Rayan, Sai Charan,
Here I am.
Izan, Isan? No. Shiva?
Here I am, ma'am.
Shravan?
Here I am, ma'am.
Yuvansai?
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
And Varnika?
Here I am,
Okay, good. Thank you so much, children. Okay, so today what I've got is flower. Flower. Okay, so we had been learning flower this week. Last week we learned plants. So today we are going to
Sorry,
see.
ma'am. It came off.
Okay, no problem, Rayan. I marked you, no problem. So we are going to learn about flowers today. Okay, so we are going to learn parts of the flowers. You remember when we started initially, we learned about parts of our body. We have our body, right? We learned about external parts and internal parts. What are parts of our body? Lakshraj, give me one part of our body.
Power.
Body part. Body
Body part.
Body. Hmm.
Bola.
See me. See me. Eyes. Okay. Lisha, give me one body part, Lisha. Lisha, come on, give me one body part.
Body part. Say.
Mm-hmm.
Say
Say.
loudly.
Okay. Thank you. Shiva, give me one body part, Shiva. Thank you, Lisha. One. Any one is enough. Come on, Shiva, quickly. Stomach. Very good. Yuvansai. Yuvansai, can you give me one body part? Internal, external, anything. Parts of the body. Give me one body part. Yuvansai, open your mouth. Okay.
Oh.
One is enough. Thank you. Arav.
Intestine.
Okay. Akshat, where is intestine? Throat. Okay. Lakshita ji, give me one part of the body. Any one.
Brown.
Parts of the body. Shoulders. Okay. Arjun, give me one body part, Arjun. Hands. Very good. Sai Charan.
Brain.
Brain. Okay. Kaushik.
Heart.
Heart. Very good. Okay. Dayanand. Stomach. Okay. Adya.
Legs and eyes.
Okay. Grutvik.
Kidneys.
Kidneys. Okay.
Stomach.
Okay.
Brain.
Thank you. One is enough. Everybody should get a chance. One is enough.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yes, Varnika.
Shoulders.
Shoulders. Okay. Satvik.
Lungs.
Lungs. Good. Okay. Nikita Shri.
Cheek.
Okay. That is a body part. Okay. You can say face. Okay. Kumara Guruparan. Give me one body part. Kumara Guruparan. Nose. Good. Roshan.
Bone.
Okay. Ryan.
Brain. Kidney. Lungs. Heart.
One is enough. Okay. Stomach. Okay. Nivin Surya.
Liver.
Liver. Okay. Superb. Shravan. Give me one body part, Shravan.
Eyes, nose, ears.
Okay. Thank you so much. Next S.
Heart, nose, eyes.
Okay. Very good. Jay Krish.
Nose.
Nose. Okay. You were already ready with the answer. When ma'am asked, we'll say nose. Okay. Gautam.
Hands and legs. Hands and legs.
Hands and legs. Yes, so much. Thank you so much. Everybody got a chance to talk, right? Yes. Okay, so you all gave me the body parts. We have body parts like eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, hands, fingers, nails, stomach, heart, lungs, kidney, liver, legs, right? Flower is also having parts. Okay, see, are you able to see this flower? So this one, each one is called petal. Each one is called petal. Everybody open your mouth and say along with Radha ma'am, petal. So this flower has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 petals. This flower has 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one is called a petal. So this flower has 5 petals. And at the bottom, you see green color like this. Here, this one, like this it will be. Okay, this is called sepal. This is called sepal. Okay, and this green one, you have a one, right? This is called stem. Stem. Petal, petal, sepal, stem. Okay, petal, sepal, stem. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story and then we are going to go with the next one. Okay, are you ready for the story? Ready? A butterfly story? Okay. Okay, so this is the story we are going to learn. Before that, quickly, the sight words. Tulip, we have been learning, right? Tulip, carnation, that is enough for you. Okay, we will not confuse the rest of the flowers. Periwinkle, periwinkle, orchid, dahlia. Okay, the one which we learned. Okay, now we are getting on to a story of a butterfly. So, there are 2 characters in the story. Okay, 2 main characters. One is the butterfly. This butterfly name is Benny. Benny the butterfly. This butterfly name is Benny and this boy name is Ramu. Okay, he's a gardener. What do you mean by gardener? The person who plants trees, sow the seeds, pluck the flowers, cut the vegetables, like that. These are all things the gardener will do. He takes care of the garden. Okay, so this Benny the butterfly, it flies, flaps his wings like this and it flies everywhere in the garden. This Ramu is a gardener. One day, what happened? This gardener Ramu is taking, what is this? Water can. Okay, he's taking the can and he's pouring water to all the flowers because he loves so much. He loves flowers so much. Do you all like flowers? How many of you like flowers? Show me thumbs up. Yes, most of you like flowers. Yes, I do like flowers. Since Ramu also loves flowers, so he takes the water can, goes to the garden, waters all his plants. See, is he happy or sad? I'm going to ask. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to ask Varnika. Varnika, can you please unmute and tell me, is Ramu the gardener happy or sad?
Happy.
Yeah, he's happy. He's showing a happy face. You know why? All his flowers are blossomed nicely and it's a nice morning. He's going on watering the plants. He's so happy to see the flowers. That time he's seeing a butterfly. What is he seeing? Butterfly. Okay, Sai Charan, do you remember the name of this butterfly? What ma'am told? BB Baba. What is the butterfly name? Benny.
Benny.
Yeah, Benny the butterfly. Okay. So he's happy to see the butterfly. He wants to talk to the butterfly. Okay. So Ramu goes to the butterfly and he says, "Hey butterfly." And the butterfly, who is that talking? Please stay on mute. Others cannot hear the story then. Please stay on mute. Shiva, can you please mute Shiva? Thank you. Okay. So the Ramu the gardener goes and sees a butterfly. He's so happy, you know. This butterfly is multicolored. So there are many colors in this butterfly. You have yellow, you have orange, you have pink, purple, green. All the colors are there. Okay. So he's happy. He has not seen such a colorful butterfly so far. So he's happy and he's going and say, butterfly, thank you so much. Okay. Shiva, what is Ramu saying to the butterfly? Now we unmute and then say the answer. What is Ramu saying to the butterfly? Is he saying sorry?
No.
What is he saying? He's saying thank you, butterfly. What is he saying?
Thank you.
Yeah, he's saying thank you, butterfly. Then butterfly is asking, why are you saying thank you to me? Then Ramu is saying, I want. But Ramu is saying, see, you have come to the garden. All the flowers are happy to see you. Okay, then the butterfly says, don't worry. The butterflies are the flowers are my friends. I'll daily come and see you. Okay. Then butterfly is saying, you are to Ramu. Ramu, you're so good. You're taking good care of the flowers and plants. See, the flowers are all colorful. Okay. Then butterfly is asking, Ramu, do you know the parts of the flowers and plants? Ramu says, no, I don't know. I daily bring the water, I pour it to the plants, but I don't know the parts of the flower. Butterfly says, I am best friends of the flowers, so I know the parts of the flowers. I will teach you. Don't worry. So Ramu said, okay, please teach me. So the butterfly has come to teach the Ramu the gardener the paths. Okay. First one, this one. When the flower is blossom like this, before that, the flower will be closed like this. See, this flower I showed you, no? It will be closed like this. The flower will be closed like this. That is called bud. The baby flower is called bud. Baby flower is called bud. Okay, Arjun, what is the baby flower called as? What is the baby flower called as? Bud. Can you open the mouth and say bud?
Bud.
Yes, bud. Okay. And then see the bottom green color of the flower. See, this is red rose. Bottom green color is called as sepal. Sepal. Kaushik, can you please unmute and say sepal?
Sepal.
Very good. Thank you. Then this is baby flower. Okay, Lakshita ji, can you say what is the baby flower called as? Baby flower is called as bud. Bud.
Baby flower bud.
Very good, Lakshita. Yes. Then okay, the straight line. Okay, Kumara Gurban, can you please unmute? This green one line is called as stem. Can you say stem, Kumara Gurban? Stem.
Stem.
Stem. Stem. Yeah, thank you, Kumara Guruparan. Okay. Then, okay, who is there? Okay, Grutvik. Grutvik. The flower one is called petal. 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 Okay. Okay, Grutvik, you want to say with me the parts of the flower? Petal. Petal.
Petal.
Green color is sepal.
Sepal.
Then bud. Wait. Bud.
Bud.
And then stem.
Stem.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Grutvik. Okay, so quickly what we are going to do is, please take this worksheet. We are going to mark the numbers. Okay, today worksheet day is 39. Day 39 CT worksheet. Please take this flower worksheet, children. We'll quickly finish it. Day 39 CT, and you'll have a flower like what ma'am showed, no? The same one without colored. Okay, you can color the flower later. We'll just mark numbers first, and then rest all you can do it after the class. Okay, are you all ready? Please take out your pencils. Take out the worksheet day 39.
Ma'am, is this correct?
What I told you, Sai Charan, you have to check what ma'am is having and you have to tell me whether you have taken it right or not. You have to tell me, ma'am, I took it right. Okay, check and tell me. Good boy. Yes, Shiva. Yes. Check and tell me, Sai Charan, whether you have taken the correct worksheet. I know Sai Charan will do. He'll find it out himself. And please write your name. If not, ask me. Okay, Sai Charan, if you are not able to find, ask me. I'll help you. No problem. Okay.
Correct.
You found it? Very good, Sai Charan. You found it by yourself. Very good. Okay, come on, write your name and put today's date. Ma'am is going to write today's date. Okay, today is 6/8/2020. Today is 6th August 2020. Okay. So I hope I waited for everybody to join. I think, yeah, Aravakshat.
Ma'am, is this one you are saying? Ma'am?
Okay,
Is
you
it
have
this
already. Okay, yes, you have this
No,
color.
ma'am, it is other worksheet.
This is a homework. Check if it is a homework. Yeah, it's a homework worksheet, ma'am. Can you just go back? You will have the one without colored.
I got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, perfect. Yes. What, mummy? Aravakshat, take out your pencil. Your mother will help you. You take out your pencil and get ready. She'll help you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Gautam. Who is that? Lechita, my dear, tell me. Yes, you found out. Yes, you found out. Don't ask me. Correct only. Take that worksheet, please.
My self, I take it.
Very good. Daily you should only take it. Very good. You have come to senior KG. You have become a sister, elder sister now. You should do it by yourself. Very good, Lechita. Okay, come on, grab your pencil, write your name. The worksheet, put today's date, 6th August 2020, 06/08/2020. Quickly. Done, Sai Charan, wrote your name, wrote today's date. Good. Grithvik finished? Very good. Kumara Gurvan is writing. Arjun wrote. Come on, Gautam. Yes, very good, Arjun. Write your name, put today's date. Very good, Shravan. You're writing. Okay, the first one I'm going to ask Satvik. Satvik is going to help me. Okay, Satvik. I'm going to show you the parts of the flower. You're going to look that and help me. Okay, wait. Satvik, have you unmuted, Satvik? Yes, Satvik. Yes, tell me, Satvik. What is this first one? The box, what is this? Is it a bud?
No.
Okay, I will ask. You should say yes or no. Okay, is it a bud?
No.
Okay, is it a stem?
No.
Is it a sepal?
No.
Is it a petal?
Yes.
Wonderful, Satvik. Good job. Yes, it is a petal. So what we should do, we should go down, find where is petal. Petal. It is number 1. Petal. So write 1 in this box. Children, please write 1 in this box. 1. I'm going to grab my pencil. I'm going to write. Let me see if ma'am is writing first or my children are writing. I wrote 1. I finished writing 1. Let me see who all finished with ma'am. If you have finished, show me thumbs up. Good, Shiva. You finished first. Thank you, Satvik. Good, Kaushik. I saw that. Superb. Good, Gautam. Very good. Okay, next I'm going to ask Roshan. Roshan, can you please unmute? Yes. Roshan, is this a stem?
No.
Is it a sepal?
No.
Is it a petal?
No.
Is it a root?
No.
Is it a baby flower bud?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So where is bud? Which is number? Where is bud? Find out and tell me. Bud. Find out and tell me what is the number.
But 4.
Very good. Come on, Roshan, write along with me. 4 here. 4.
I write.
Very good, Roshan. Super. Next, I'm going to call upon Shravan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shravan, is this a petal?
No.
Is it a bud?
No.
Is it a sepal?
Yes.
Okay, where is now sepal? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, which is sepal. Pepper, sepal.
2.
Yes, come on, write 2 along with me. Very good, Shravan. Thank you so much for helping.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shravan. Okay, next I'm going to call Nivin Surya.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a bud, Nivin Surya? This one? Is it a bud?
No.
Is it a stem?
No. No.
It's a stem. It's a stem. Okay. Yeah, right. Number 3 here, Nivin Surya. Stem. Okay, I'm going to call Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai, you're going to read along with me, Yuvan Sai. Ready? Yuvan Sai, ready? Yes. Petal. Yuvan Sai, except Yuvan Sai, others, please stay on mute. No, Satvik, please stay on. Satvik or Shiva, who is that? Satvik, can you stay on mute?
Petal.
Give me a minute, Yuvan Sai. Come on, Yuvan Sai, come read along with me. Petal. Bud.
Petal.
Bud. I can't hear you, Yuvan Sai. Okay, I'll move on to, yeah, people. Who is that? Okay, Yuvan Sai, we'll come back to you later, okay? I'm going to move on to Adya. Adya, going to read along with me. Ready, Adya? Yes. Petal.
Petal.
Bud.
Bud.
Sepal.
People.
Stem. Very good. Thank you, Adya. So everybody finish this worksheet. Then if you're finished, I'm going to close this. Okay. And then we are going to learn something new. Okay. Before that, quickly, everybody, can you all stand up? We're going to do a game, freeze game. Ready for freeze game? Ready? Yes. Come on, Shiva, stand up, Shiva. Yes, Roshan, like that only. Come on, stand up. Okay. Sit. Sit, everyone. Stand. 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 Turn around. Turn around. Who is that? No problem, Yuvan Sai. You don't have to ask sorry for that. No problem. Okay. Come on, we are doing the activity. Come, don't ask sorry for that. Okay. Come on, stand up. Okay. Turn around. Freeze. When you say freeze, you should stop. Arav Akshad, you have to stop. Okay. Jump. Freeze. I said freeze. Very bad, children. I'm not going to play this game anymore. When I say Lakshita ji, you will feel dizzy. Don't do that. No. When I say freeze, you should stop. Okay? When I say freeze, you should stop. Shake your heads. Freeze. Nod your head. Freeze. Come on, come to your place. You are not playing this good today. I don't know why. Come to your place, children. Come to your place, please. Okay. So quickly what we are going to do, we are going to learn this. Okay. You are going to write this later at home, but I'm going to teach you this. Okay. So this, you are going to tell me what shape is this. Akshat, tell me what shape is this, Akshat? The one I'm showing you. Count with me. 1,
Hexagon. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
So this is not hexagon. What shape is this? Octagon. Octagon. Okay, it has 8 sides. Okay. Now, okay. So with octagon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is octagon. Okay. So what? How they are showing the hands? Show me hands like that. Show me hands like what they are showing like that. Okay. That means stop. Stop. When somewhere in the road you see an octagon shape, red colored, and then with a palm. This is palm. This is hand. This is palm. With a palm like this. Sathi, come on, show me the palm like this. Show me the palm like this. Yes. The palm showed. That means stop. Sometimes when you play do or something, your mother says stop, stop, stop. That means when palm is seen, stop. Okay. Then the next picture. What is the smiley doing? What is the smiley doing? What is that? Lisha, what is that? When I do like this, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Idea.
Say loudly.
Idea.
Idea, Nikita. Very nice idea. Yes, that's one answer. Lisha, I can't hear you. Louder.
Wait.
Think. Think.
Think.
Yeah.
Think.
Think. Ma'am will say, right? What I taught yesterday, everybody think and tell me. Everybody remind it and tell me what you all do. When somebody asks you, what did you eat in the morning? What will you all do? Aravakshat, so much of thinking and dreaming. Look at me. What will you all do? What did I eat in the morning? That is think. What is that? Think. Even Sai, show me think. How will you think? Even Sai. You will think. Okay, so that is think. And then what is this girl doing? What is this girl doing? Walking or running? Okay, I'm going to ask. Give me a minute. Ryan, what is this girl doing? Walking or running? Ryan? No, I can't hear you. Jayakrish, what is this girl doing in the picture? Walking or running?
Running.
Running. Okay, it's up to you. You can imagine either walking or running. So that means go. What is that meant by go? Okay. So now I'm going to say the word. You're going to do the action. Everybody ready? I'm going to do one time and show you. Look at me, everyone. When I say stop, you should all show your palm. When I say think, you should all do like this. When I say go, we should all either walk or run. Ready? Okay. Think. Everybody think along with me. Like this or like this. Okay. Yes. Stop. Stop. Jayakrish, come on, show me stop. Yes. Go. Go. Think. Stop. Go. Okay. So this worksheet you will do at home later. Okay. You're going to write the words. Fill in here. Okay. Ready? Okay. You will do this for me. Okay. Before we move on to the next one, I just have something to share. Next Tuesday, I believe we have Krishna Jayanti celebration at Kidzi. So you will get a message, detailed message regarding that. But what I want to inform is like you can come prepared with any sloka if you know, okay, or any song, any devotional song related to Krishna Jayanti if you know, if you are interested. you can prepare and come sing and show us on Tuesday. Okay, if you know any sloka, you can come and sing, or if you know any song related to Krishna Jayanti, you can learn and come. Or if you know to dance, you can dance few steps and show us on that day. Got it, everyone? Will you all tell your parents if they're not nearby what ma'am said? Either you can sing, or you can recite any sloka, or you can dance and show us on Tuesday for Krishna Jayanti. Okay, everybody understood? Everybody heard me? Show me thumbs up if yes. Yes, okay. Okay, now we'll move on to next activity. Yeah, that you'll get a message, ma'am. Yes, you can wear that. That's up to you. If
Okay,
you are able to arrange, you can definitely wear it and come. We'll be happy to see that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, and girls, if they are interested, they can dress up like Radhe. That all message, ma'am, Uma ma'am will send you in detail by today or tomorrow. This one, I thought I should tell you so that I can get your concern before we send a message. Okay, so if possible, you can give us a, if you can give us a consent, or if you are not interested also, that is no problem. It is optional. Okay. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. So what did we do today? We'll just recall. Excuse me. We saw the story of the butterfly and the Ramu the gardener. We learned parts of the flower, and then we learned 3 actions: stop, think, and then go. Right? Okay. Now quickly we'll do the max activity. Please take out the worksheet. 13. I'll show you the worksheet. Okay. Day 39, empty worksheet with crocodile symbol. We have to put greater than, less than. Shiva, can you please open your ears? Okay, the worksheet I'm showing you. Lekshita and Sai Charan, I hope you'll find it out like last time also. Come on, quickly find it out. Yes, somebody has done it already. Okay, no problem. Just check if ma'am is doing it right or not, Shiva. Okay? Check if ma'am is doing it right. Everybody took your worksheet. Please write your name. Put today's date, children. 6/8/2020. Wrote Kumaragubran, wrote today's date and name. Satvik, see your friends are watching you. Don't do that. Come on, take your worksheet. Yes, thank you, Grithvik. Okay, for the first one, I'm going to call Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Varnika. What are the numbers you have here, Varnika? What is the first number here? 2, 5.
2, 5, 25.
Perfect. What is this number? 3, 3.
33.
Super. 3, 3, 33. So which will come first? 25 or 33? Which will come first?
2.
25. Count with me. 25.
25.
26.
36.
27.
37.
28.
28.
29.
39.
30.
30.
31. 32.
32.
33.
33.
So 25 comes first. Only after 25, 33 comes next. So 33 is greater. So the crocodile, yes, the crocodile will open the mouth towards which number?
3.
Very good. 3, 3, 33. Super. Next I'm going to call Arav. Ready? Yeah, Arav, what is this number, Arav?
38.
Very good. What is this number?
30. 44.
45. Yes, count with me. 38,
28.
39,
39.
40,
40.
41,
41.
42,
42.
43,
43.
44,
44.
45.
45.
So 33, 38 comes first before 45. So which is greater? Louder.
47.
Okay, so the crocodile will open the mouth towards which number?
45.
Correct?
No.
No? No? Okay.
No. 45.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now you don't have to unmute. You don't have to mute. Akshat, tell me, what is his number?
90.
Very good. What is his number?
19.
Yeah, 19. This number, the one I'm showing you, this one.
33.
23. Count with me. 19,
19.
20,
20.
21.
22. 23.
Okay, so which comes first, 19 or 23? Which is coming first?
23 is greater.
Yes, 23 is greater. 19 comes first, 23 comes next, so 23 is greater. Very good. Okay, next I'm going to call Yuvan Sai. Thank you so much, Arav Akshad. Yuvan Sai. What is his number, Yuvan Sai? 9 7.
97.
Perfect. 9 7.
97.
Okay, which is greater? Both are. Which is greater?
Equal.
Very good. Yes, equal. Very good. Thank you, Yuvan Sai. Next I'm going to call Sai Charan. What is the number here, Sai Charan? Sai Charan, can repeat?
58.
Yeah, 58. What is this number?
44.
Okay, which is greater?
58.
Why?
Because that is bigger.
Yes, that is bigger. So after 58, you will get only 59, 60. You will not get 44. So we have to count from 44. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and then we have 58. So 58 comes next after 44. So 58 is greater. Perfect, Sai Charan. Thank you so much. Next I'm going to call Ryan. Can you unmute and talk? Let's see if we can hear you, Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
perfect. Yeah. What is the number here, Ryan? 7 2.
7 to 72.
Perfect. What is this? 6 8.
68.
Okay, which is greater?
7 to 72.
Yes, 72 is greater. That's the right answer. Count with me. 68, 69, 70,
70.
71,
71.
and then we have 72. So 72 comes later on to 68. So 72 is greater. Perfect. Okay. Next I'm going to call, let's see who has not got. Arjun, can you unmute and talk, Arjun?
What?
Yes, Arjun. What is his number, Arjun?
T.
3.
1.
What is 3 1?
20. 30. 31.
Very good, 31. What is 1 3?
31.
1 3.
20. 30.
30. Which is greater?
Equal.
No equal. See, this is not equal. So this is 31. 3 1 31. This is 1 3 13. So only after 13 we get 31. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then only 31. So 31 comes after 13. So 31 is greater. Arjun, these are not equal, Arjun. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Dayanand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Dayanand, I'm going to read the number. You are going to say me which is greater. Okay, we are going to check if everybody has written the same thing. Okay, 2, 5, 25, 3, 3, 33. Which is greater?
3, 33.
Perfect. 3, 8, 38, 4, 5, 45. Which is greater?
4, 5, 45.
Thank you so much. 1, 9, 19, 2, 3, 23. Which is greater? 2, 3, 23. Okay, thank you. Adya, can you please unmute Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9, 7, 97, 9, 7, 97. Which is greater?
They are equal.
Very good, they are equal. Thank you. Okay, Shiva. 5, 8, 40. Sorry, 5, 8, 58, 4, 4, 44. Which is greater?
58.
Perfect. 7, 2, 72, 6, 8, 68. Which is greater? 7, 2, 72. Mm.
சொல்லு வாய் திறந்து சொல்லு
This.
வாய் திறந்து சொல்லு
That.
No, tell me the number.
That.
say the
Tell me the
number
number.
72.
Very good. That's what is the answer. Very good. Okay. Next, I'm going to call. Wait. Let me see who has not got. Grutvik. 3, 1, 31, 1, 3, 30. Which is greater?
3, 1, 31.
Thank you, Grutvik. So everybody done this worksheet? Finished this?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Quickly, we are going to move to the next one today. Today we're a little fast. I don't know why we completed 2. Okay. Good. Okay. So next we are going to do cursive P. Okay, I'm going to call Nivin Surya. Nivin Surya, can you tell me one word with P, Nivin Surya? P, Papa. Give me some words with P.
Peacock.
Peacock, very good. Super. Varnika, give me some word with P.
Bat.
Okay, very good. And then Jayakrish, give me some word with P.
Parrot.
Very good. Next, give me some word with P. Pup,
Parrot.
Parrot, pup, parrot, peacock. Okay. Shravan, give me some word with P.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, superb. Yeah, Kumaragavan, give me some word with P. Papa. Kumaragavan. Okay.
Bat.
Okay. Papa. Louder.
Ma'am, he's selling pug.
Pug.
No, ma'am, pug. He's selling the chocolate name.
Oh, Perk. Okay, got it. Okay, Perk. Okay, thank you. That's nice. That's nice. Nikita Shri, can you give me some word with P? Papa. Nikita Shri. Papa.
Pen.
Pen. Very good. Lakshman, give me some word with P. Papa.
P for
People.
Papa.
Baba bus.
Papa P
Ludo.
no
Very good. So nice. You remember make the planets and telling me. Good. Okay. And then, yes, I think we have done. Okay, I'll show you some words. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for giving me new words. Pluto. That's all different. Very good. Okay. So I have few words: parrot, pig, pan, parachute, penguin, panda, plant, pen, pin, everything you have. Yes, all you said right. So now quickly we'll write P. Ready, children? Show me thumbs up. Are you ready to write cursive P? Thank you, Lakshraj, for showing thumbs up. Ready. I know you're ready. Very good. Thank you. Okay, come on, Ryan. Sit straight, Ryan. Take out your worksheet. Take P later. Okay, this is capital P, normal P, and this is small p. How do you write in cursive? It's little different, okay? It is little similar to H, the one we wrote already, okay? Capital P is very similar to the one we wrote. It's day 39 LT. It's day 39 LTP. Okay, you don't have to take the worksheet now. You can take your slate or rough note, practice in that. You can write it in the worksheet later on. Okay, children? So, that's why I didn't share the worksheet name. So, it is very similar to the B we wrote. How do you write B? From red line. First, look at what ma'am is writing. From the red line, write 1, backward bend, go up, 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 and then P. You already wrote B, you remember? How do you write B? 1, bend, go up, and you will put 3. This is how you all wrote B in the homework, right? P is halfway. Slanting line, straight line, backward bend, go up, and then mark P like this. That's it. P is very easy, capital P. Okay? Small p, when we come to small p, it's little similar to H. But what is the difference? H, how do you write? You go from here, slanting line, backward bend, mark 1, and then a small mountain. This is how you wrote H, remember? But P is very similar, but you have to start from the red line, not from the blue line. So start from the blue line. You have to come back. You have to come back to the, not to the blue line, to the red line, and then write a mountain. Okay, slanting line. First step is slanting line. Second step, backward bend. Third step, 1, come, touch the red line. So slanting line, backward bend, come, touch the red line. Trace on the same line. I repeat, trace on the same line, and then put a mountain like this. This is P. This is cursive P. Papa pan, papa pen, papa penguin, papa parrot, papa peacock, everything. Papa. Okay, so I'm going to write in bigger. Now let's all write together. Take out a slate. We'll write it now quickly. I'm going to start first write capital P. So from the red line, I'm writing 1, backward bend, go up, 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 and then P. This is capital P. Now I'm going to write small p. Gautam, are you with me? Are you writing, Gautam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gautam, can you give me one word with P, Gautam? P, Papa.
Pebbles. Pebbles.
Pebbles, very good. Nice. Super.
Plumber.
Plumber, very good. The one we learned already. Plumber, very good. Paint, painter, plumber, pebbles. Super. Okay. Now I'm going to write small p. Slanting line. Go up, touch the red line. Bend, mark 1, 1, 1, 1. Come till the blue line. Trace on the blue line. And then a mountain. This is P. So if I want to write pen, how do I write? Like this. You don't have to write this. I'm just showing you. P, E, and then N. This is how I'll write pen in cursive. Okay, so that P is this. So step by step, slanting line, backward bend, and then 1, come touch the red line. So slanting line, backward bend, come touch the red line. Trace on the same line. Trace the same line and then a mountain like this P. Everybody understood? Yes, good Kaushik. You're very fast in writing, Kaushik. Good, perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Shiva, where is your slate? Okay, Shiva, good. Practice one more time, small p. Practice small p one more time. Yes, Lekshita, you wrote in the rough note. Or where did you write?
You show me.
I'll show it again. You want me to show again? Okay. Are you able to see? Wait, I'll just scroll so that I can see. Wait, give me a minute, Lekshita. Can you see? Okay. Yes, Sai Charan, good Sai Charan.
Ma'am, you say, repeat, ma'am.
Who is that? Give me a minute. Yes, Lekshita, yes, what are you asking me?
Repeat, you say.
No, dear. It's the small p is not right. Capital P is right. Small p, what I told you. See, look at here. Look, Lekshita, look at me. Don't write. Look at me. See, you have 4 lines in a slate, right? Start from the blue line, go up, touch the red line, come till the red line. Come till the red line. First write this. First write that, then everything will come in place. Okay, I'll check for others and come back. Yes, Shiva, I saw that, Shiva. Good. Adya. Good, Adya. Perfect. It looks perfect. Okay, what about who is showing me? Yes, Grutvik. Good, Grutvik. Superb. Good, Grutvik. Okay, I'm seeing Jai Krish. Show me Jai Krish. You're showing me upside down. Reverse it. Tilt it. Yeah. Okay. Good, Jai Krish. Perfect. See, the second small p, no, it didn't touch the blue lines, both the blue lines. Third one is perfect. It should touch both the blue lines. Look at me, Jai Krish. See, what you, give me a minute, Lakshita. Lakshita, give me a minute. What you wrote was, like this it was. It should not be like that, okay? Slanting line, go up, come here. This mountain should touch the blue line and should come like this. The third one you wrote is right, Jai Krish. Okay? Yes, thank you. Okay, what about, yes, Kaushi, Gautam, good Gautam, super. Good, Varnika. Good. It looks good. Yes, Dayanand, I'm coming to see you. Good, Dayanand. Perfect, Dayanand. Good, Shravan. P looks good. Yes, Yuvan Sai. Superb, Yuvan Sai. Looks perfect. Rayan, you write and show me.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nivin Surya. Coming, Nivin Surya, show me. Nivin Surya, show me. Super, Nivin Surya. You wrote so many times. Wow. Good, Nivin Surya. It's nice. Okay. Nikita Shri, you wrote P. What about Kumara Guruparan? Have you written P, Kumara Guruparan? Feeling sleepy? Okay, you're writing. Okay, keep on writing. If you have any questions, ask me. Yes, continue writing. Good. Yeah, Nikita. I'm coming to see you. Give me a minute. Where is Nikita? Yeah, got you. Good. Yeah, Nikita, see the second one. You didn't come touch the red line. Make your P come touch the red line. Small p. Rub and write the small p. It is not touching the red line. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Arav Akshit finished? No, just lift it down, little bit down. Yeah, show me it. Yeah, good. Good, Arav. Perfect, Arav. He looks perfect. Even sir, you can practice in your worksheet if you have finished in the slate. You don't have to sit down. Even sir, take out your worksheet and start writing. Okay, I'll just check what about others. Ryan, can you show me, Ryan, till what you have written? Okay. Small p should come touch the red line. Okay, check that alone. Otherwise, it is looking good. Lakshraj, can I see what you have written, Lakshraj? Okay, the small p should come within the blue line. I think it should come within the blue line. That's what I'm seeing you. It should go back, touch the red line, come back. The mountain should be within the blue line. Okay? Okay. Okay, Satvik, can I see yours? Perfect, Satvik. It looks neat. Good. Varnika, did I see yours? Did I see? I saw yours. Okay, you're writing in the worksheet. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, Adya, I saw. Okay. Like Lisha, can I see? Very good, Lisha. It looks neat, Lisha. As always. Good. Arjun, can I see? P, Papa. Good, Arjun. Good. Lakshita ji. Lakshita ji, I can't see you. Okay, children, that's all we have for today. The class is over. You can finish your worksheet later on, okay? And you can color the flower. We wrote the parts of the flower, right? You can color the flower later and send me the photo. Okay? And tomorrow we'll have a creative time. I'll send you the things that we need. We are just going to make a flower and write what all the plants need to make food. I'll send you the photo so that we'll do creative time tomorrow. Okay, any questions or doubt, you can stay back, children. You can ask me. Otherwise, the class is over. Okay, thank you so much. No shouting. Only one time you should say thank you. Bye bye. Okay.